Hello ladies and gentlemen, Martin here, and it's sad that I'm having to make this video today. Yes, you see the title is right. I blew up the eclipse basically. Cylinder number one decided to punch a spark plug, and so this video I'm going to be taking off the head. Hopefully it's just cylinder one, piston, connecting rod, replace all the connecting rod bearings. Hopefully it's just that. Oh yeah, and plus the motor seized too. So, but yeah, I've already took off the valve cover, the cams, and that's it. So let's undo the head bolts, get the head off, see the real damage. Okay, so we have the head out. As you can see, we got some bent valves there. We got some looks like bent valves just on one. Everything else looks fine, but yeah, we definitely got some bent valves on one. Definitely that one right there. Definitely that one. So we did a beautiful thing in there. Did a beautiful thing. That's a beautiful piece of high grade, beautiful steel right there. That's a very beautiful. I don't know if it broke the connecting rod or what. It looked like it got a little bit of chainsaw in there. Chainsawing on the block, I don't know, because it did chainsaw it a little bit. It did. It put some grooves in the cylinder. Maybe have to get it resurfaced. Maybe. Or worst of the worst, I got to put that other block in it. I don't know. Okay, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Like I was saying, the cylinder got chainsawed up pretty bad by the connecting rod, and the head's probably just completely ruined since, you know, a piston punched it basically. So what I'm probably going to do, what I am going to do is put the old motor that was in it, because I believe that last time it went out, it kind of just spun itself out of time. I mean, none of the spark plugs got hit on the old motor's head, so I believe that's what I'm going to do. But anyway, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.